Alright, so we bought 1,000 glow sticks. We're gonna go put them in our pool. It's not our pool, it's like a community pool. Julia does not know. We were gonna do this on her birthday, but we were all sick. She seems sick, but she's just a typical 4-year-old. Let's go, babe. Julia, what do you think's in those things right there? I know. How did you know? Because, Julia, we were going to do this on your birthday, but we were all sick. I was sick. Sorry. It was supposed to be a part of your birthday extravaganza.
It was okay.
Is this going to work?
I hope so.
This is your idea, Maggie. Let's see you do your magic. There we go. Good job, babe. Now the pool is dim. They're so excited. Did you see Julia's face?
What's gonna be in the box?
This is only 100? Yeah. Oh my god. How many is this now? I think we're on 600. You excited?
Yeah, are we going to put them in the pool?
Yeah, we are whenever these guys are ready.
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Well, that was it. That's 1,000 glow sticks in the pool. It was a lot of fun. In the hot tub? It looks like so much brighter when you put them all together. You ready to go? We just did. Jason, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, you can play with them at the house. Look, they're making glow stick angels. We don't have a pool of our own where we can make it pitch black. We'll do it again a different time, guys. We're amateurs. It was.
Hold a glow stick.
It's a really cool color.
10,000. Dad, hold a glow stick and then fan flutter.
Fan flutter? Is this a fan flutter?
Yeah, this. Here, Jason, you use the pink one.
Nice.
The pool wasn't as dark as we hoped it was going to be, but it was still really fun.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. Yeah.
And someday we're going to do it again in a darker pool.
In our own pool.
And probably even $10 in it.
Yeah.
This is the most fun Julia's had. That's the end of this home video. Say love you.
Love you.